Welcome to another plein air painting adventure in New York City. Once again, we're right here on the Upper West Side of Manhattan, and it's rainy today. Tropical storm Henry made its way up the East Coast over the last few days, over the weekend. And our thoughts and prayers are with anyone who may have been affected by this monster of a storm. But today we came out here to paint. Rainy day painting can be fun. We can, especially in the city. Lights hitting concrete, puddles reflecting passersby. It offers a unique painting opportunity, and maybe we can take advantage of some of that today. Maybe we can go home with something we like. So we came out here to paint. The sun's always moving. Let's get started. Okay, looks like we found a spot to paint today. We're right outside Columbus Avenue on West 87th Street. Rain let up a little bit. Still dropping from the buildings. We don't know if it'll pick up, if it'll stay like this, but I'm pretty sure we're not going to see any sun today. So the sun's usually moving. So let's get started.
Oh, hey! I've been following you. I saw that you got back recently from your trip. Yep. Congratulations. You had a really fun time.
Oh, thank you.
How's it going?
How come this corner?
What? You're from this corner?
How come this corner?
Oh, how come? Well, it's a rainy day, so I can't really paint light today. So I've walked by here many times, and I wanted to set up here, but usually it's kind of busy. People are eating here. And so I was like, this might be the day to set up here and not bother anyone. Oh, I hope so. Do you want my card? Check out you can watch this painting from start to finish on YouTube probably in the next day or two. Yeah, have a good one. Okay, we got the drawing in, and what do you know? I think I see a little sun. So, always being proved wrong. Just just when you think you have things figured out, painting outdoors, you figure out you don't know a thing. So, pretty happy with the drawing, and let's get going with the vlog. Okay, we got a block in. The sun's come and gone. It hasn't started raining yet. I don't know if it will, but I'm pretty happy with the big shapes and colors. Sometimes, for some reason, it's easier to paint when it's overcast, and something about when it's raining, maybe it's the atmosphere in the air, makes it really easier to distinguish some of these colors in the big shapes. So I don't think I'm going to do too much as far as detail, but I'll add some detail, and I think pretty soon we're going to call this a finished painting. Let's keep going. Okay, we're going to call this a finished painting today. Look at that. The rains ended up coming. Not too bad, but enough to get water in my paints and make things a little difficult. So maybe I would have worked on it a little bit more, but that's all part of painting outside. You kind of let the environment tell you when you begin, when you finish, and you're flexible and go with that. It really reflects your time spent in that location at that time in front of the canvas. So hopefully you can hear me above all the noise, but it's been a fun time painting. I'm going to get out of the rain, get home, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for joining me. As always, if you like the video, if you like the painting, subscribe, like, all that fun stuff, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Have a good one.